Please no, please no. What me do?
Hey, girl. You need to go on over the bush.
No, please no.
Over the bush, little girl.
What me do? Please no.
Little girl. Man.
Let me go. Alright, wait.
Little girl, you have to get up right now. One, because you're not hearing me. Stand up! Where you going?
Please, no, please.
See that? Not hearing me. I want you to come.
Help!
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Help! Shut up your mouth, little girl. Shut up.
School was wonderful today. Yeah.
Take your time and walk.
Alright.
The poor old lady. You're too hot, Ada.
I think they're ready, you know. I think they're ready. I tell you something, they will win this season. I prepare them well, trust me. Hold on. I soon call her back. I think I hear something in the bushes nearby.
Let me go.
Hold on, I soon call her back. That may look good.
I want you to come. For the bush.
Let me go. Help!
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Help! Shut up your mouth, little girl. Help! You need to shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth before I slap you. Help! Shut up! You have to shut up your mouth? Eh? Shut up your mouth. What is wrong with you?
What me do?
How much money you have on you?
Me no have no money. Let me go.
Not hearing me. I want you to come.
Stop. Help!
Shut up your mouth.
Help!
Hello. You need to shut your mouth. You don't have no money.
No, me not have no money. Love me.
Your parents them have money and me need $25.5 million.
No money.
Where is your phone? You don't bring it
Me
with
not
you.
have no phone.
Come over this. Come.
No.
Hey, you see this? I don't ramp you now. Go over this.
Please.
Go over this right now.
Alright, please wait.
Go over there, so. No. Kneel down. I me say you fit kneel down. You don't understand kneel down. you know, you're wasting my time. You're wasting my time. Turn around. Me need some money from you and you don't have it to give me. And you look over there, so, and don't look at me. Where is your great grandmother?
We don't have nobody.
Well, listen to me. Hello. Listen to me. Tell your grandmother you're coming to hell to meet her. Anybody is here? I smell somebody. I know somebody was there, you know. We catch you enough. Watch out. Put the boy left in phone. You left your phone. Eh? Left your phone. You left your phone. Alright. I get no money over there, so but me get one phone. I'll be giving this shot, you know. I wonder where you're going. He's a lucky fella today, you know. Lucky boy. Whoa. Little girl, you ready to give me a hand?
Star. Jesus, peace. Yeah, super. Yes, sir, I'm on the scene. Hold on, sir. Just stay on the line. Hold on, sir. Super. Same thing again in the boss. Same as the last, as Mr. Boss. The hand severe, same, both hands. Yes, yes, exactly like the first one, sir. Well, I tell you, it's like some demonic Satan ritual thing I go on here saying about, sir. Same thing. Yes, sir. It's a female, yes, sir. Here what, sir? As soon as we finish this, I come in and give you all of the details. Everything I get here, so. Yes, sir. Boy, I don't know. I don't know what go on in Ireland, for real. In all of my years, them something that does look weird. Boy, I don't know. Trust me. Yes, sir. We have to go deep in that one here. Because I'm sick. What I mean sick individual I do this. Can't make it happen again, boss. We have to go really catch a perpetrator, you know. Yes, sir. I know. Yes, sir. All right, boss. Cool. Jesus Christ, man. Why, man, see them thing up in them country and other country, them thing up. Oh, my God, man. Jesus Christ. God, man. I go deal with this right away. Cha.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hey,
How are you?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
You know, I've been over by the school and I've been watching you, and you are doing a very wonderful job with the
Thank you.
boys.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah,
So,
man.
you think they're ready for the match on Friday?
Yes, they do. We prep them well, man.
Right. I can see because I've been watching you, and
You,
you're doing a very, very good job.
you're going to see the outcome on Friday.
Please do.
Match day, the ultimate.
Okay.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Well, you know, so we have one class we go back to, so
All right, yeah, man.
we talk.
Okay, teach.
All right.
Come.
Yes.
You're looking lovely as always.
Thank you very much.
All right, see you later.
All right.
All right. Today was a great day, no?
Yeah, man, but me tired, man. No, I'm going to get some rest. Tired, man.
You can't tell me work hard today.
Yeah, man, that I can see.
Well, you don't look like her today, look.
Me know, man. No, but tell them me tired, man. Yes, man, because I can't find out the walk on. Hello? Hello? Zach, what's the matter with you?
Hey, come, you see that old lady at the gate? The lady at the gate.
This nice old lady who is sitting right here?
Yeah, no, she's not a nice old lady. She's a wicked old lady.
No, Zach, this old lady look like she cannot even hurt a fly.
Come, I'm telling you, she's a wicked old lady. I witnessed some gruesome act that she has done. Trust me.
No, Zach, I think you're exaggerating. This old lady, look at the lady, she's so harmless.
Come, listen. Go on home. Listen, reach out, call me. Just head over, please.
Alright, when I reach home, I'll give you a call.
Make sure you call me.
Alright.
Alright, yeah.
Hi.
Yes, come.
Hey, Zach, what's up?
Come, you have to believe me.
Zach, please stop worrying yourself about the old lady. The old lady is harmless. Listen, hear what I want you to do. I just need you to come to school, do your job, and just let this old lady thing go. This old lady is harmless.
That old lady at the gate, she's a villain. She's a wicked. Come, nice old lady? No, she's not no nice old lady. Come on. Let me tell you this. Come, listen to me. What? Sweet old lady. No, she's not any nice, sweet old lady as you would think. Listen to me. She's a villain. The reason why I run, I know why I run. I'm not a coward, Cam. I'm so sorry but I had, yes. I know that she's onto me. Trust me. So that's the reason why I had to run. Cam, she's a villain. She's a wicked. I witnessed certain things that she has done. Yes. It's the same day that I lost my other phone. The same day I witnessed some stuff that she has done to another young woman. Gruesome stuff. Alright? You don't believe me? Alright? Alright. Come, you have to believe me. Anyway, I'm glad you're home.
Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Alright. Today. Oh. No.
Hey, Cam.
How you doing?
Hey, Zach, good afternoon. You know, I don't see you at school today, and I came to the ball field to see if I see you, but obviously you're not here. Where are you?
Cam, I can't come to school, Cam. I told her that the old lady is after me. Yes, Cam, I told her that the old lady is after me. Nothing is wrong with me, Cam. No, I don't want to lose my work, but
Trust me, I'm telling you, Cam, I'm not at all on it. But I'm achievement that my school come.
But Zach, you know you can't do that. You can't neglect your work like that. Did you even call the principal to say something was wrong with you?
I'm explained to her. But I can't come to school because that old lady, she's after me.
No, but Zach, not because the old lady is after you. You still have to come to work. You want to lose your job?
no, I don't want to lose my work, but
So Cam, you don't believe that the old lady is after me?
Zach, to me, that old lady, she just look innocent and like a sweet old lady to me. I don't know if there is anything going on otherwise, but she look like a very nice lady.
So you're saying that something is wrong with me then?
That's what I'm saying. You need help.
I need help.
Yes.
I know she's after me, trust me. I didn't even get any rest last night. Alright.
I'm gonna call the principal.
Please do, and just call me. Yeah, call the principal and call me back.
Alright, I soon call her back. Hello, Miss Brown. How are you doing? Good morning. I'm not doing wonderful at all. Yes, I'm at the hospital right now. My family had to rush with me early this morning. I'm having a terrible headache. Sorry I didn't get the call this morning. It's very late now. I understand it's break time now. But trust me, I was having a terrible headache this morning. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'll get well soon. Trust me. Right. Yes, so I'm going to, yes, right. I'll send in a sick leave with Cam. Yes. Thank you very much, Miss Brown. Alright, okay, have a wonderful day, man. Come? Yes.
What did the principal say?
She said I must just drop off the sick leave. So I told her that I'm going to give her the sick leave to drop off for me. Alright, so yes. I'm going to see if I can get 14 days because like I said, I need some rest, eh? Yeah, I need some rest, yeah.
Take some rest and take care of yourself. That old woman is harmless. You don't need to worry yourself about that, Zach. But that's what it looks like to me. And I am scared for you.
Okay. I'm mad, right? Okay. Yeah, man. But anyway, meet me at the bus stop later. Yes. Alright, I go back to class now. Alright, so enjoy your day, right? So I'll be at the bus stop later with the sick leave, right?
Just call me.
Alright, later. Ah, boy. Nobody don't believe me.
Grandma, you alright? You want some help? Miss, you alright? You live alone? Come on, me help you. Come on, me help.
What is your name?
Jay, come. I'm not even strong, but come on, me help.
Hey, I need my stick.
You live by yourself?
I live with my 3 grandchildren. You want to come and stay with me?
No, come on, me help you inside.
No, I don't want nobody to touch my hat, you know. You're not supposed to touch my hat. Don't do that.
So you don't want me help you?
Yes, I want you to help me, but I don't want you to touch my heart, man.
Alright, Grandma. Alright, come.
Wait on me. Oh, my knee. The knee them not so good, you know. You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Yes.
My grandma old just
So,
like
what is your name?
Jay.
Jay?
What you name?
Me? Me name Matilda.
Okay.
Yes. I live right here, so.
So your grandkids them in there now?
Them gone on the road.
Okay, watch your step. So 1 foot. Next foot. The other foot. Come on.
You don't come inside with your shoes. I am a grandchild. Seen it out for me the other day.
Okay, take your time. Take your
Yes.
time. Take your time.
You want a little water to drink?
No, ma, alright.
Okay. You can go inside, man. Come inside with me.
Okay.
You can stay right here.
Man, I say you did it right now.
Hey, come here, don't.
You're
Why you
good.
do that?
Man, how you easy for frighten someone?
That easy for frightened.
Hey, but you're
Just-
kind of
just a-
stressing on your face still.
Yes, in a way, man, but
I mean,
no
tell
good.
yourself to stop worry yourself, man.
But me tell you, there's nothing wrong with me.
Yeah, but you need to stop worry. Something is wrong with you. Me
No,
see it in your face.
I'm just being on my P's and my Q's, trust me.
Zach, please stop talking about the lady. No, man, look how the lady nice. Look how the lady look innocent and nice. Stop talking about the lady like that, Zach.
Camille, you don't believe me?
You are delusional.
Seriously?
Yes. Stop talking about the old lady like that, man. You see the old lady innocent. Something is wrong with her. Cause every time you see you just keep on and mention the old lady. Nothing is wrong with the lady. In your mind, you know, in your mind. It's in your mind.
So you don't believe me?
No, man, I can't believe you come to the old lady often and me not say she do nothing.
So me a madman.
Me not say you're mad, but something happened to you.
Nothing is wrong with me, Cam. I'm telling you.
Leave off of the old lady, man. My God, man.
Anyway, here's the sick leave.
Alright.
14 days.
Alright, I'm going to give it to the principal.
Thank you very much.
So have a good day and take care of yourself. Here, please. Alright, I'll see you.
I'm okay. Looking nice as always.
Thank you, darling.
Alright.
Hi. Hello. No, look at that.
Oh. Hey, come.
Hey Zach. Yeah man, you know, so me just reach home, but guess what happened? You see the same old lady where that tell me about, you know, say, me fear her follow me from me I come home and even me reach at me gate, she was still following me.
The same old lady following you home? Jeez, come, you serious?
Come on, Zach, you know that I'm not afraid. I can take care of myself.
Come, listen to me. Make sure so you lock up your doors and your windows. If you have a knife or a cutlass, make sure so you stay close to it, right? She look harmless, but she's not. Listen, come, listen to me now. Listen to me. She's a villain. She's a wicked old lady. She, come on, man, please, just believe me, please. But come. Me don't need no rest, come. Just listen to me now, please. Me don't need no rest. Alright, listen to me. Just please. Listen tomorrow. Me I go come to school gate, and me I go follow you home, right? Make sure say you be at the gate. When school over, me I go be there, sharp. Yes, and me I go follow you home. Because you don't believe me, you know. I have to follow you home tomorrow. No, listen, I know what's happening. I had an encounter with her in the bushes when she did something really, really bad to another female, and I witnessed it, and so she's onto me, and you are the closest person to me now, so she's coming on to you. So listen to me. Oh God. Come. This come like a movie over there or something, man. Me have a meet her tomorrow after school. I'll be there sharp. I'm gonna follow you home and make sure you're safe. Because you're not safe right now. Alright, so tomorrow. Now get rest, but we don't need no rest come. Later. Alright. Sir James. Uncle Dennis. Oh, go on. What dragon, you know? Thing good though. Free, you know. Alright, you know. Alright, sir. All here, man. Everything good. Fly up for me now. Alright, sit down on the front as a little bit. Yes, sir?
Yeah, man.
I touch the road here. I go past school there. Oh, come now, answer our phone, man.
Have reached the voicemail box of 18768.
So come down and come now. Tell me. Come really left out and tell me.
Have reached the voicemail box of 1876.
I can't believe come gone and tell me. My gosh, man. Can't believe to come down to our phone, man. Pick up the cam.
Have reached the voicemail box
again.
of
I tell him, say the old lady, go out, come. Come now listen, when we talk to come now listen. Come now listen. What am I doing now? Come. I've been trying to come. What happened to your phone?
The battery died.
I was about to call you that the battery was low.
Come down here, kill me up. You're laughing, come on, you're laughing. I came for you by the gate, come. I was at the gate waiting all long.
Well, I'm sorry about that. Never always make sure some of my battery charge.
I'm there, I said the old lady, take away and come.
Jack, you're still on that. That old lady is a very nice lady. That the old lady, she's so sweet. Actually, you know, Jack, you need to get some rest.
I'm getting my rest. Listen to me, I'm getting my rest. But nothing is wrong with me, Cam. I told you that old lady is a very wicked old lady. You scare the life out of me when you're not answering the phone.
You're overthinking it, Jack.
I'm not overthinking anything, Cam. I just want to know that you're safe. Me know what the old lady... Me know...
I see the old lady and she just look harmless and she just look like a very sweet old lady just doing her day-to-day basic. I don't know why you think she's that bad.
Cam, you have to believe me. This old lady is not like what you think. She's a villain. She's an evil old lady. Believe me. Trust me. Just believe me. Alright, listen to me. Tomorrow, make sure your phone charged. I'm going to walk you home tomorrow. I'm on sick leave, but I'm still coming by the school to walk you home tomorrow, okay?
Alright, no problem.
So after school, I'll be at the gate.
Alright, I'll be there.
Alright, be safe now.
Alright, bye.
Thank God. Oh my gosh, Cam, you scared the life out of me.
Are on edge this evening following the gruesome attack in their community in which a woman was chopped to death. The man suspected of carrying out the attack is now in police custody. on edge this evening following the gruesome attack in their community in which a woman was chopped to death.
My God, them are something here really are going in my community and I don't know nothing about it. No, sir.
Come now, charge her phone. Come now, charge her phone. You're supposed to act responsible. Come. I'm a big woman, innit? Nice, man. Come on, come. Come on, come. Pick up.
Reached the voicemail box of
This looks serious, yo. How many days now? Come, come, pick up, pick up.
reached the voicemail box of
Yes, Jack.
Hey, Mrs. Brown, how you doing? I'm not feeling too bad today.
I've already received the sick leave.
Just getting some rest, you know? Right, but what I really want to ask you, Madam Principal, have you seen Cam? I'm trying to reach out to her for a few days now. I can't get to her. Cam is missing. She has to come to school for 3 days. Madam Principal, this is very serious. Oh my gosh. Madam Principal, this.
Yes. Yes, doctor. And I heard that their family reported it to the police station already.
No, this is not something that Cam would normally do. Madam Principal.
Okay, if I hear anything else, I'll let you know.
Alright. I'll get back to you, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
are you following me? Who are you?
Who are me? See, I dash your money, I take up money.
You take up my money? Who are you?
Who are me? See, I dash your money, I take up money.
So you take up my money? Did I give it to you? So why you take it up? That means you're a look your old thief. Why you take up my money?
See, I dash your money.
Jesus Christ. What? Oh. Oh. Super. Yeah, man. Yes. I mean, yeah, man. Same pattern. Boy, I tell you, this ritual is still a continent, boss. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Another victim, boss. Yeah, man. Yes, same hand, both hands. Why we have something for we hand, boss. We don't know how we are going to deal with this in the cars. Trust me, I want to look away. Why, boy, in all of my years, I never seen nothing like this. Nothing like this. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Hold on, look. Yes, man. Gone, my boss. Hold on. Oh, I know that one in the boss. I know who done my ear right now. Yes, sir. All right, yeah, man. All right, super. Yeah, man, I put me under pressure, yeah, man. This coming like way above for me pay grade, you know, man. How I go on there, man? So nobody. Yo, nobody no see I hear nothing, man. No leads, nothing, man. I don't know this thing, boy. I don't know. Where this thing I come to. Yo, you come deal with this there. Yes, super. No, man, that thing no, make it look bad, so, man. No, man, but, boss, man, it's something I baffle with, you know. Super. I first be coming at something like this in Jamaica, and I tell you, man, that's something that baffle me. But, yeah, sir, super. I get on it, man. As a matter of fact, there's somebody right here, I have an interview right now, but every other leads in the reach nowhere. But just I hope that this gentleman I can help you out. Yes, sir. All right. Yes, sir. I respect. All right, super. Yeah, man. Thank you. I tell you, man. Why that's something now? Why I don't know. What will you say now? What you say now? What you have to find now? What you can do?
Sir, I know who I cause the chaos in the community.
Look here. A couple of people come here already and tell me and it leads it not reach nowhere.
Sir, me know who.
You sure about that?
Yes, sir. I know directly where the person, but if I carry me on the street and I see a person, I can identify the person.
Boss man, I can't bother with a wild goose chase thing, you know.
No.
Serious matter this.
Serious thing, sir. Because right now I am of the belief that my friend that was missing, that went missing, I just strongly believe that she do it as well.
You know, no, but I have to follow lead where you tell me now, but I tell you it's a pure prank call and pure foolishness I get through to this whole ordeal that started.
All right.
So.
Yeah. Excuse me, you're currently dealing with a missing person case, Camille, right?
Yes.
I strongly believe so that same lady there, what I tell you about now, and she take her away.
Anyway, I can't just left your thing on this side. I have to try, because trust me.
Sir, I know who caused all of the chaos in the community.
Well, anyway.
And I cut off people, man, them. I know who, sir.
All right.
I can't carry you.
I go take your word for it. I go say, you know, I need my dog right now, I go bring you.
Yes.
Now, I just say, I can't bother the bag around. Pay right now, right from the other day, the foolishness. I'm going to bring you there right now. Straight to wherever you are, send me right now. All right?
As I said, I don't know where the person lives, but if I see the person, we can identify the person.
Well, everything starts with one footstep, you know, so I'm going to ask if you just come with me.
Yes, sir.
Here, I have to go investigate this.
Yes, sir. Come on, let me show you.
This thing, I tell you, it's going to stress me out.
She, me I tell you, brother, she, see her there? See her there? You see him?
That the woman there?
Yes, sir.
Well,
she, make sure you do it,
Hold on, man. Come.
Keep an eye on her, sir. Make sure you keep an eye on her, sir, because...
What?
Yes, sir, she. I saw she.
That woman?
Yes, sir, she has been a lot of things in her ear.
Come with.
I see, me see.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
You know this man?
First time I seen him. I never seen him before.
Come here, young man. Come here.
You too lie. And me, look here, and me you shoot after in the bush around here, sir. Me.
I don't know it.
This woman you saying?
Yes. Fire about
This elderly woman here.
30 gunshot in fire after me other day, sir.
Lie. This man is crazy.
Well, hold on. But
you, Mr. Jaguar, girl.
Let me get rid of all of this stuff here in front of the lady as much as
Are you, Mr. Jaguar, lady going in the bush with knife and stuff, something, miss? Are you?
Listen to me. I'm with the police department. You hear? Alright, let's cut this story. You see this man here? I want you personally come down. Listen to me. I want you personally come down the station and make a report about this man. I will personally sign it. How could you?
Yes, personally?
Yes.
Personally.
Listen to me. Boss man, listen to me. You came down to the station and you tell me, say, you have serious leads and you brought me here in front of this lady here. This poor elderly lady can hardly even like she can stand. Listen to me, man. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. You know, sir, I could have probably carried myself, go lock you up for waste my time and stuff. Listen to me, man. Anyway, as a matter of fact, I'm in a long argument. Lady, go down the station. You know what? Wherever you come, I don't want to hear nothing from you. You walk where you're going, boss.
Sir, this is not what it look like, you know.
What do you mean what it look like?
She's wicked. She's a wicked.
Like you have some personal beef with this woman. You find your way wherever you live or whatever. You're not coming in that vehicle.
Sir.
Just don't waste my time. Look here, listen. You stand up in front of me. Do not waste my time. Don't waste my time. Listen to me. Go that way. Don't waste. He come like he's a madman.
Crazy.
See, look here. Do not step out foot in my vehicle. All right. Find your way. Find your way home, sir. Find your way.
You cannot leave me here, sir.
Listen to me. Do not put your foot in my vehicle. Find your way home. Go where you come back from. You waste my time, man. Listen to me, boss. Boss, man. You hear what I say? You hear what I'm saying? Light a candle, sing a song, find your way home. Listen to me. Listen to me. Do not touch my vehicle.
Sir, you cannot
find your way
you cannot leave me here, sir.
Find your way at your yard.
You cannot leave me here, sir.
All right. That man is a madman to rot it. Sorry for the inconvenience, here, ma'am. You know, sorry for disturbing me. Okay. Yo, all right, colleagues.
Bad granny. Maggy, Maggy, Maggy.